Dear student, how are you? I hope you are well. By the grace of Almighty Allah, I am also fine. You are welcome to our online classes. You know that our world going through a pandemic period, that is, we are affected by corona pandemic. It's a worldwide problem, not only ours problem, but our government is very concerned about our students' life. So our government has closed all educational institution from 17 March this year, but we are concerned about your study, so our authority has taken initiative to take your online classes. As a part of it, I am presenting a class today. So let's enjoy the class. Look at the picture. What can you see in the picture? What's it called? Have you seen the before this kind of picture? What do we do with it? So, students, you can guess our today's lesson is Nakshikantha. Look at this slide. You can see a picture. In the right side, our Palli Kobi Jasim Uddin, and in the middle, here is a picture about his noted poetry Nakshikantha Mad. Dear students, from this lesson or after reading this lesson, you will be able to ask and answer questions, tell about Nakshikantha, infer meaning from context, write a paragraph, fill in the blanks, make questions. Look at the slide. Here is a picture. In the right side, a woman is making Nakshikantha, and in the left side, here is some design or Naksha. Naksha has many meaning: beautification, coloring, decoration, embellishment, ornamentation. Dear students, look at the slide. Here is a group work. You have to make 5 questions for completed statements in section E above. One is done for you. You have to do another. What does Naksha mean? Do you know the meaning of Naksha? Oh yeah, you know. It's mean design, decoration, beautification, embellishment and so on. Where was the name taken from? It's taken from our Pallikavi Jashimuddin's noted poetry Nakshikanthar Mart. How long has the art been practiced and where? This making Nakshikantha has been practiced 100 years or more than it, and it is practiced in our rural Bengal. Now dear student, come to section E. You have to complete the blank. By completing the blank, you will have some full sentences. At first, look at the board. Nakshikantha means artistic patterns. The name was taken from a Bengali word Naksha. The art has been practiced in rural Bengal for years. Nakshikanthas are now sold in expensive shops. Nakshikanthas now in great demand because of their colorful design and patterns. Nakshikanthas are a kind of embroidered quilt. So dear student, I am giving you home task, and it is write the summary of the passage or text in or within 30 to 50 words. Before home task, I want to give you 5 minutes for silent reading the text, and after 5 minutes I shall ask you some unknown words, and if you unable to answer, I shall help you to answer it. Okay? Now you will get 5 minutes for silent reading the text. Okay, dear student, 5 minutes is over. We have come to the end of our classes, and we have to depart from this class. I hope your success. You know that nowadays a slogan is very popular, that stay home, stay safe. So you have to stay in your home and obey your parents, and you have to continue your studies up to the pandemic. COVID-19 is come to a end. Best of luck. Goodbye, student. Thank you.